Hey guys, Irene here. Today's video is going to be a compilation of some of the behind the scenes from the latest photo shoots that I did. I didn't have enough footage to make separate videos for these photo shoots, but I thought why not compile them together and not have them go to waste. So here you see me using a Busch Pressman large format field camera. This is the kind of film camera that reporters used in the 1920s. This was my very first time using it, and also I'm using an attachment that lets you shoot medium format film on a large format camera. Everything is completely manual here. I even had to wind up the film without really knowing where to stop for the next shot. So I knew that this is going to be mostly just experimental and I'm not going to get any amazing results here. So this is the result, and I knew this is going to be kind of a fail because for me it was more about learning the camera, learning how to use it rather than taking beautiful images. The lighting probably was not the best. It was really strongly backlit, and we took some double exposure shots as well. I mean, this is so different than my usual digital photography that obviously I made some mistakes. But nonetheless, it was so much fun doing this, and I'm definitely going to use this camera more in the future. Next, I used my Mamiya C33, which is a medium format film camera from the 60s. I've already used this camera multiple times, so there were no surprises there. The model is still backlit by the window, and we're also using a reflector to bounce some of the light back onto the model. When the sun went down, we decided to go full on Instagram and play with some fairy lights. I'm shooting Mia today, who is also a YouTuber. It's actually a funny story because I was watching one of her videos and I commented on it, and then we just kind of started talking like that, right? And then we realized that we both live in Canada. Yeah. So why not shoot? She was just visiting here in Calgary, so we decided to do this little photo shoot together. We're gonna experiment today a little bit, trying out some different techniques, shooting with window light, with some lights, and then going outside as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with the video. We started off by using continuous light by Aputure. I'm using the 120D as the backlight and their new 20D mini in front of the model. I was trying to replicate this image of Emma Watson and maybe even try to get something similar to the backlit images that I get outdoors. Next, we shot some portraits using window light.
And finally, we went outside for some retro-styled portraits. And yes, she is holding the camera that I used at the very beginning of the video.
Alright, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to go ahead and check out Mia and her YouTube channel. She has some really fun videos. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! God, I feel so tall. Like, hi! Everyone is taller than me. Everyone is.